my gosh. Have you ever had that? That literally feels like I'm drinking the best drink ever. I've literally drunk almost a litre that quick. Must have been dehydrated. Why do I look strange? What looks strange about me? Really good at what you're doing. What? Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the follows. I look so bloated right now because I low-key am, to be honest. What are you drinking? I am drinking mango and orange squash. Living it up. Can I see your nails? I'm getting them done tomorrow. They're really old. Oh, nice.